In this video, I will show you step by step how you can fix a Snapchat device ban in 2024. Now, first of all, there is a couple of things we can do first to obviously fix this. So first of all, we can head over to our settings. We will then be able to search for apps and then head over to Snapchat. So what we can do is once we've clicked on apps, search for Snapchat. And then what you want to do is you want to go down to storage. Go ahead then and click on data, and then what this will do is it will essentially go ahead and reset and refresh your Snapchat app, and then you can then go ahead then and try and log back in. If this doesn't work, what we can do is go ahead and uninstall and reinstall it on our mobile. And the last thing we can do to try, and the one thing that will work for most people, is if we head over to our browser, go ahead and then type in Snapchat support and then click on the top search result right here. Now once we do this, we want to go down and then click on my account is compromised. So once you have selected this right here, what we can then do is scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page. You will then need to enter in your username into this box right here. You will then need to enter in your email address and also a working phone number that you have access to. And then in the description, you will need to enter in a little bit of information about the problem you are having. So you could put something like, obviously, that your device has been banned from Snapchat. You can enter all this information into the description box, and then once you are finished, you will then be able to click on the submit button. And then if you are eligible for your account back and your device unbanned, Snapchat will then unban your device. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you